Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is the Vintage Coach Cosmetic Pouch Natural Grain bag, style number 4973, in what I believe is the color chocolate. It's a beautiful dark brown color, and I would estimate it's likely from the 90s. So it's just a little cosmetic case, as you can see, and it comes with a branded Coach zipper pull. It's double-sided. And here's what the other side looks like. Looks basically identical. And then here's the top again. It does have a zip closure. And then here's what the inside looks like. It's got the striped lining on the inside. And it does have a little wear spot on the leather, unfortunately, but it's not super noticeable. So this is just a great little pouch if you want something to use inside of your bag, maybe even something that matches your bag if you have a matching bag. But anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.